All right, y'all. No slacking sports, man. I'm recording things a little late. I just got out the car, man. World truck. It is starting to rain out here at the point. This is the varsity squad right here. I think today Anthony's practicing with his main squad. I believe. I don't see him over here. I don't see him over here. So I'm gonna go down there and see what's up. I think coach is throwing down here. So let's go see what's happening. I don't know if Anthony hit already. I don't know who all hit, but let's go down here and go see what's happening. Let's go. Like I said, I just got out the truck a little late. Um, so I'm gonna try to capture whatever I can capture down here from these boys. Again, man, anytime Anthony could go up here with the varsity squad and I practice with the boys, then I'm happy. You know, I know that coach got an eye on him, and he's interested in, having them potentially play up there maybe. So, hey, man, I love that. Again, he's a freshman out here having a varsity coach eyeing him. So that's a good look, man, no matter what. It's practice and no practice. So, all right, man, these boys is out here in the rain. I'm out here in the rain. This is dedication. And let's go. I do got my umbrella. Hold up. Let me see if I can turn this around right quick while I'm holding this umbrella. See? Got my umbrella. And we rolling, man. We rolling. So let me go see these boys right quick. I don't know, like I said, I don't know who all hit. So let's see. Yeah, and he said he can't do everybody today, so all good. All right, who's out there? Who's up there? Is that Ant? Ant using somebody else's bat?
Oh, cool. Let me reach out to her and see if she can get that over to you this afternoon.
That is Ant. Oh, look, just in time. That might be going. That was a good shot. And that was fun. Look, I caught Ant just in time. I might have missed a couple of boys down here, but I didn't want to get out the car. I wasn't gonna record today, y'all. I tried not to record every practice, or should I say, I should try to record every practice. I don't know. Some days I will, some days I won't. So all depends how I feel on practice days, on what I want to record. So, yeah, that's a shot. Because I'd rather just record games. Good shot. That's a shot. He's shooting. I think he gonna want that damn meta. That's a shot. That's a shot. Okay. Okay, he killing with BL's meta. He was killing with BL's meta. Let's go, man. Let's go, baby. Alright, let me say what's up to him. Yeah, started getting wet. Alright. Hey man, don't be asking me about no meta, bro. Yeah, don't be asking me. Hey, you was sticking with it though. You was sticking with his bat though. I thought he was trying to. I want him to go in the tennis yards. All right, man. This is BL here. Look, going oppo. Look at that, man. Look at that, BL. All right, boy. There you go. Look, I love you going that way. There you go. Oh. This is dedication from the coach. He out here in the rain throwing balls. Look, I love him. Go that way, baby. Go that way. One thing about BL, man, he will go everywhere, and I like that. And you need that in a hitter. Man, take the whole field, baby. Let's go. Sorry that I came here a little late, guys. For the ones that got to hit. I'll record y'all next practice. Because again, I wasn't going to get out the car. I totally wasn't about to get out the car. But, all right, man, you see what's going on here. They want to go get the balls real quick. I don't know if BL's done. But I'll be back with the next batter. Let's go.
Tomorrow, probably rained out.
Oh, that's definitely rained out.
And then you got
all right, oh.
on Friday, and that's the question they get their field together.
Right. All right, oh. All right, this is O. I believe this is O. Yeah, that's O. Let's go, O. I'm sorry for the ones, again, sorry for the ones I couldn't catch hitting. For me coming up here a little late. There we go. Oh, it was foul? Foul ball. Good shot, though. He tried. That's two of them, though. Did he? Yeah. Okay, Ray put one in there too.
No, Ray's. Was it?
Everybody's foul. Everybody's foul. I like it though. Good shot, y'all. All right, I think O was the last batter. So who was all the ones that actually hit that you saw? Would you hear when they first started hitting?
No.
Oh, you was okay.
No, I got here a little bit late too.
All right, yeah. So whoever hit, sorry that I missed y'all. But the ones that couldn't hit today, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Well, I can't catch y'all tomorrow. They're gonna storm his butt off tomorrow. But I'll catch y'all the next time we have practice and y'all hit. But all right, man, let's go. You see the boys, man. I think this is about to be it for their practice. So at least I caught a little bit. 10 minutes worth of something. And actually I caught Anthony stroking too with somebody else's bat. That was the Meta, I guess that was the new Meta Power or just a regular Meta. I'm not for sure, but I know it was a Meta. But all right, man. You see the boys getting together and trying to get this practice over with. And I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. If not, I mean, you know, them boys, I can't go inside the gym, so if they go inside the gym, I'll see y'all the next time we out here, or Saturday. I heard our Saturday game, not a Saturday game, but our last Friday game against Eastern Tech got moved up to Saturday at 10 a.m. here at the Point. So, so if I don't see y'all before that, then I'll see y'all then. So, no slacking sports. We never slacking what we do, baby. Let's go.
A few minutes later.
All right, y'all. No slacking sports, man. Look where we are. We at the old cages. Next level performance. Next level sports performance facility here. You see what time it is. Guess who I got with me today? Jacob. Let's go, kid. He wanted to come out and put in some work, man, so why not? You know how we start, 8 laps, get the blood flowing. We had team practice today, but it got cut kind of shortish a little bit. Did you even get to hit today in practice?
Yeah, I didn't.
Okay, yeah, I came out a little late, I didn't know. So, all right, man, we coming back here to work. Jacob's not gonna pitch today, but Anthony will throw today. We gotta keep working, man. We gonna stay working. You know, we gonna be ready for any moment that we need to be ready for. So let's go, man. They gonna set up the tee. The tee here. So they gonna get the tee, do some tee work, and then I record that. And after that, I do some bounce drills, and then you know how it goes: bounce drills, and after bounce drill, pitching machine. So I'm gonna go down there, set up the machine, and then I'll be back with you guys when they hitting up the tee. So let's go. All right, guys. No slacking sports, man. Here's and off the tee. Inside, outside, down the middle. Putting in work. 20 each. Anthony already hit some. So up. Hit. Come on, you know what time it is. Give it to me. What you mean? How you make it close? You hit it close, right? Let's go. Hey, straight off the top, you too. You tip that over 10 straight off the top. At this level, y'all shouldn't be tipping nothing over. Hey, man. You hit that, you hit the rubber. You're not supposed to be hitting no rubber. You're supposed to be clean off of it. Let's go, no excuses, let's go. We'll make no excuses. Somehow, some way, the force tipped it over. Hey, man, look. See, you about to do it again. Let's go, focus. Man, look, you touched it. Now, you didn't touch that. It's a difference, right? You can knock that ball off. I mean, you can knock the ball off the tee clean without no rubber touching. Still hit it flush. But I'll get him done. And then Jacob next. Let's go. That's Anthony on the side. I'm gonna get Jacob from the back. Let's go. Go, baby. Yep. There you go, boy. Let's go. Go buy me like a smaller where I can level out the tee. Where I can have them in so many different zones. Like I want it lower than that. This shot right there. Let's go. There you go, baby. Let me get a few more from Jake. right after practice, man. That's what we do. We work. Because guess what? There's going to be people out here that's working too. You know? This man's he's a sophomore, man. He'll be a junior next year. You know? So, just work. Gotta perfect everything that we do. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready. Let's go, Jake. That's all good. And get like a few more. Got my tripod today, ladies and gentlemen. So the recording will definitely be a little better. All right, so I'm gonna get these last two from Jake. Right there in the middle. All right, man. Y'all saw the tee work. We're gonna get the balls and then show you the bounce drill. Let's get it. And then this will help him stay back. So let's get it, man. Get the balls, and then after that, I'm gonna dial this machine in, and we're gonna get the business. We're gonna start 70 miles an hour, 80, 90, and then we're gonna go down the curveballs. So see y'all in a minute. Let's go. All right, y'all. NOSLACK'N Sports, man. Here's Anthony on bounce drills. Jacob next. 20 each. Let's get it. both of them on the bounce drill. Now I'm about to dial this machine at 70. And let's go. Let's get it. All right, guys, man. No Slackin' Sports, man. Here's Anthony on the Bata2, 70 miles an hour. Let's get it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, man. No Slacker Sports, man. Here's Anthony on 80s. Jacob be next. Let's get it. fast? Speed up. 90. Oh. I take that though. Good catch, Ant. Good catch.
I did. Yeah.
And I'll see y'all in a minute. Let's go. All right, let's go.
Yeah. All right, man. No slacking sports, man. Here's the boys at 90.
Let's get it.
gonna get used to it. All right, y'all, man. Y'all saw that 90 miles an hour for both. I'm about to hit them with 65 miles on curveballs. See how that works. Let's go. All right, guys. No slacking sports, man. Final at bats. 65 miles an hour from these boys. Curveballs. Let's go. Next up, Jake. Let's go. All right, guys, man. Y'all saw the curveballs. We got 10 minutes for Anthony to throw, so we're gonna hurry up and throw so I can just catch a velo right quick from him and see what happens. So I'll be back with that. Let's get it. All right, man. NOSLACK'N Sports, man. Here's Anthony's velos right quick. Let's go. I'm going hard. Better not hit me. 77.
Go up there.
76. That was a batter. 59, by the way. All right, 61. All right, let's go. Man, you supposed to get me. Where you going? What you doing? What you doing? High at 78 today. No warm-ups. Just straight 78. So that's no warm-ups like that. That's 78. That's beautiful. So just imagine if he was warming up, we had more time. We should have cut the hitting a little shorter, but all good. That's all the work. Good stuff, gentlemen. And now we out of here though. NOSLACK'N Sports. We never slack in what we do, baby. Let's go.